Friends, welcome to TOPEX YouTube channel. Here we brought a brand new video of experiments. In this channel, we will learn how to make cool sci-fi gadget at home easily. So today we will make a homemade time machine. No friends, it can't help you to time travel, but with help of our device you can stop time and extra, you can kill any electronic device. So without wasting any time, let's get in the video. So friends, first I take a bottle which die about 4 cm. Then I take a insulated copper wire which I get from my old DC motor. However, wind the copper wire around the bottle is about 20 to 25 times. When your winding is done, that will look like something like this. After winding, I carefully put out the coil and bind tightly by cotton thread to maintain its shape. Then we use a flat plastic plate which I get from my old aquarium cover. Here we place the copper winding in center of the plate, then fix its position by clear tapes. Then one end of the winding connect with a wire in here which is blue, and other end of the winding will be fixed at plate again with tapes. Then we leave a gap of maximum 2.5 mm and fixed a red wire. That's why the spark can jump one wire to another. Then we use a high volt generator which I brought from amazon.com, link in the description. Now connect the blue and red wire with output of the generator, and finally it is ready for testing. First I will connect this 1.5 volt battery with this high volt generator. For testing we will use this table clock. And after connecting our time machine with battery, if I simply place it behind the clock, it suddenly stops working. So that's how this device can stop time. Again, we take a calculator, and for testing I will enter some random values to it, and after connecting our time machine to power supply, if I take it near to the time machine, it will shut down the calculator immediately. Again I will test some random values and see what happens. When I take near to this will immediately shut down. friends, I hope you enjoyed the whole video and it added some values to your life. And if you really enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for supporting us. So that's for today. We will meet again in our next video. तब तक के लिए जय हिंद, जय भारत.